how to create a simple invoice template for freelancers. It is really important to include all the related information in your invoice. This makes the understanding of transaction clearer. Generally, these are the things that you can include in your invoice. Firstly, your detail, your name, address, city, phone, email, and website if you have. Then you will need to enter your invoice number, date, and due date. After that, you will need to enter details of your client. For example, your client name, company, address, and email. After this, give your client a breakdown of services that was provided. Now, this is completely dependent on what kind of services you are providing, but for most freelance jobs, this template will work. Give a description of your service, the hour or quantity that they took, then write down the rate and amount. The rate and amount will also depend on the kind of service that they have chosen. After this, add the subtotal. If there is any tax, then you can also include that. They will need an instruction or detail about your bank. If you have bank or e-wallet, then give them your bank name, account number, account holder. If you are using other platforms such as PayPal or Wise, then you can also include that. That's all for today. Thank you.